Before you rush into your next relationship, pause. Because the truth is simple. Being single might be the most powerful, life-changing, and transformational decision you ever made. Not because love is bad, but because, according to the Stoics, freedom, clarity, and self-mastery begin when you stand alone. If you've ever wondered why solitude feels strangely powerful, this video will show you exactly why. Relationships can bring joy, but they can also bring noise, expectations, chaos, confusion, and if you enter them without strength, you lose yourself before you even realize it. Stoicism teaches one of the most underrated truths of modern life. Before you commit to someone, you must first commit to yourself. That's why staying single, even for a season, can be the greatest gift you ever give your mind, your peace, and your future. Today's video is a top 10 countdown of the most powerful Stoic reasons why staying single is not a curse, but a strategic decision that can elevate your entire life. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another philosophy breakdown. Now let's begin. Top 10 reasons why staying single is the best thing you can do. Stoic edition. 10. You remove external control over your emotions. When you're single, your emotions are yours. No more waiting for someone's text to feel secure. No more emotional roller coasters based on someone else's mood. Stoics taught, you control your mind or someone else will. Being single gives you the space to reclaim that control. 9. You build inner strength instead of emotional dependence. The Stoic ideal is the self-sufficient soul, someone who stands firm even when life moves unpredictably. Solitude forces you to develop resilience. You stop depending on someone else to feel whole and start learning how powerful you truly are. 8. You avoid drama that distracts you from your purpose. When you choose solitude, you are choosing clarity. No unnecessary arguments, no emotional chaos, no relationship confusion that drains your energy. Stoicism teaches that your purpose is sacred and distractions are an enemy. 7. You have complete freedom over your time. Every minute is yours. You choose when to work, when to rest, when to grow. Marcus Aurelius warned that life is short, too short to live it according to someone else's schedule. Being single gives you the freedom to shape your life intentionally. 6. You learn to enjoy your own company. The greatest test of growth is simple. Can you sit alone and feel at peace? If you can, you are already stronger than most. Stoics believe that solitude is not loneliness, it is self-knowledge. 5. You build habits without interference. Your sleep, routines, goals, and discipline are easier to protect when you're not balancing someone else's needs. Being single allows you to pursue excellence without compromise.
4. You become more magnetic and attractive. Ironically, when you stop chasing people, people start chasing you. A calm, self-contained person with purpose radiates confidence. Stoicism teaches that neediness repels. Self-mastery attracts.
3. You stop settling for less. When you're afraid to be alone, you accept the wrong people. But when you are comfortable with solitude, you only choose partners who truly align with your values. This is how Stoicism protects your future. 2. you discover what you truly want. Most people date out of habit, not clarity. Solitude gives you space to understand what kind of life you want, what kind of relationship you're ready for, and who deserves a place in your journey. 1. You master yourself before you give yourself to someone else. This is the ultimate Stoic truth. You cannot offer peace if you do not have peace. You cannot give love if you do not understand love. You cannot lead a relationship if you cannot lead your own mind. Staying single isn't about avoiding love. It's about preparing for the right love by becoming the right person first. If this video helped you see solitude differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really supports the channel. And tell me in the comments, which Stoic reason resonated with you the most? I want to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.